Ever pondered about the invisible force that drives our digital world, making our computers and smartphones more than just lifeless pieces of hardware? It's software. This unseen powerhouse is the foundation of digital functionality. It enables our devices to execute a multitude of tasks, from sending an email to streaming music, even managing complex business operations. Without software, our sophisticated devices would be as good as paperweights. Intriguing, isn't it? So, buckle up as we prepare to delve into the types of software that power our digital universe. Like the diverse species in a rainforest, software too comes in a myriad of forms, each serving a unique purpose. Let's start by looking at the two main types of software: system software and application software. System software is like the backstage crew in a theater production. It's the essential programs that facilitate the operation of computer hardware and provide a platform for running application software. You may not see it, but it's always there, making sure everything runs smoothly. Consider operating systems like Microsoft Windows or macOS, which manage hardware resources, provide a user interface, and support application execution. Then there are device drivers, the unsung heroes that allow these operating systems to communicate with hardware devices like printers and graphics cards. Now, let's move on to the stars of the show: application software. These are the programs designed to perform specific tasks for you, the end user. Take productivity software, for example, tools like Microsoft Office Suite or Google Workspace, which help you with word processing, spreadsheet management, and presentation creation. Then there's multimedia software like Adobe Creative Cloud, enabling you to create, edit, and play multimedia content. We also have educational software like Khan Academy, aiding in learning and skill development. And let's not forget entertainment software, offering video games and streaming platforms for your leisure time. Finally, we have business software like ERP systems and CRM software, streamlining business operations and management. From the unseen system software that runs your device to the application software that helps and management, stunning presentation, from the entertainment software that plays an essential role in the digital leisure ecosystem. Now that we've journeyed through the software landscape, let's recap our adventure. From the moment we switch on our devices, system software like operating systems and device drivers spring into action, providing a platform for other software to run. Our exploration then took us to the realm of application software, designed to perform specific tasks for end users. Whether it's productivity software like Microsoft Office Suite, multimedia software such as Adobe Creative Cloud, educational platforms like Khan Academy, software like Microsoft entertainment Office Suite, offerings like Netflix, multimedia software such as Adobe, such as CRM software, each serves a unique role in catering to our diverse computing needs. We also glimpsed at examples of software, from the ubiquitous Microsoft Windows to the versatile Adobe Photoshop, that underscore its pervasive presence in our lives. The world of software is indeed vast and essential, powering our devices and aiding in numerous tasks. So, the next time you boot up your computer or launch an app on your smartphone, remember the intricate world of software that makes it all possible.